Basically, there are two types of remote controls. There's the infrared remote control, which sends a series of pulsating light signals to your cable box or your television. The other type of remote control is called the radio frequency remote control, and it sends out a radio signal to be picked up by a sensor in your cable box or your Amazon Fire Stick. On this video, I'm going to show you how to check the batteries of an infrared remote control without taking it apart. Checking the battery on the remote control is actually pretty straightforward since your cell phone is capable of sensing infrared light. All you have to do is activate the camera and put the cell phone over top of the remote control and push any button on the remote. If you see a light flickering, the batteries are good. If you like to learn something new every day, I invite you to check out my other YouTube channel, Daily Brain Nugget. There you will find some fun and amazing facts about history, science, and nature. You can also check out how the tradition of the best man got started. No doubt you will be stunned when you hear the story. Just click on the little brain icon on your screen or use the link in the video description. Thanks for helping me get the word out about this video, and thanks for watching.